Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the FREEBOY electric bike Y88. But before we start unboxing, let's check if the packaging box is intact. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to our after-sales team. After unboxing the product, please keep the original box, because if you have to return the product, you will have to pack it back into the original one. Now, let's open the box. Be careful, don't be scratched. And carefully take the electric bike onto the box. It's a bit heavy, so having someone to help you will be great. Now, we will cut the zip tie and everything, then we will loosen the screws. Using the included 14mm wrench from the tool kit and remove the brackets that hold everything in place. Install the front wheel. Let's flip the scooter upside down and start installing the front wheel axle using these components. Place the spacer between the tire and the frame. Then install the axle. It may be a bit difficult to push in, so you can use a hammer to assist. Finally, install the nut to secure it in place. Install the suspension. Line the suspension with the mounting holes on the frame. Insert the belts and secure them. Use a 17mm wrench to adjust the suspension. Make sure the suspension is properly installed before moving on. Install the handlebar. Align the handlebar with the mounting position. Insert the belts from the bottom. Using an Allen key to tighten the bolts securely. Adjust the handlebar so it is straight and centered. Confirm that the handlebar is not tightened. Install the brake lever. Loosen the clamp on the brake lever. Be careful not to lose the small screws. Place the brake lever onto the handlebar. Tighten the screws to secure the lever. Install the brake caliper. Remove the caliper screws and the pad spacer. Position the brake disc between the pads. Align the holes and tighten it with a hex wrench. Install the front fender. Position the raised section of the front fender correctly. Align it with the mounting holes. Tighten the screws underneath to secure the fender. Make sure the fender is stable and will not come loose while riding. Insert the pins according to the corresponding colors. Finally, use the closed zip tie to organize and secure the cables near the display area. Install the front handline. Connect the yellow handline connector first. Align the handline bracket with the mounting holes on the frame. Use the pried screws to secure the handline in place. Install the train guide in the correct direction. Align the train guide with the mounting holes on the frame. Tighten the screws securely to hold it in place. Now, let me show you the features of this electric bike. Power on. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the system model levels. 15 mph for level 1, 22 mph for level 2, and 37 for level 3. Even when riding over pumps, the suspension absorbs shocks efficiently. Keep the ride smooth and stable. It gives the rider better comfort and control. See you!